and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we are going to learn Dinah, possibly the most challenging song we've learned so far. First we're going to sing it. If you can tap the beat with me, let's do a tap, cross, tap, cross. No one in the house but Dinah, Dinah. No one in the house but me, I know. No one in the house but Dinah, Dinah, playing on the old banjo. If you've been listening to your listening CD, which you can download from our website, you're probably already familiar with that song. If you just heard that for the first time though, you can go back, listen to it again, and try singing along with me. Now this song has a new rhythm in it, and it's faster than TT. So fast you can fit 4 sounds in one beat. Let's figure out the rhythm to Dinah together at the heartbeat mat. Here's our heartbeat mat. Let's sing Dinah one more time, just the start of it, and if you can touch the beats with me, that would be great. Here we go. No one in the house but Dinah, Dinah. No one in the house but me, I know. Now one more time, and this time I'm just going to sing it on ba 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 so we can hear the rhythm of it. And see if you can notice if there is a beat with more than 2 sounds in it. Here we go. Ba 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 ba. Did you notice a beat that had 4 fast sounds in it? Point to the beat or beats that had 4 fast sounds. If you're pointing to this beat, you are correct. When we have 4 fast sounds that all fit in one beat, we call that 4/16 notes or ticky-ticky. Let's practice saying 4/16 notes. It makes it sound like this. Ticky, 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 ticky. Can you try saying that with me? Here we go. Ticky, 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 ticky. Great job. This beat had 4/16 notes in it. Now, let's see if you can find where the other group of 4/16 notes is. Here comes the song one more time. Ba 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 ba. Point to the other beat where you heard 4/16 notes. If you're pointing right here, you are correct. Now let's figure out the rest of the beats. How many sounds did you hear in these beats? Here it is again. Ba 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 ba. There are 2 sounds in every beat. So we have T, 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 T. So all together, this row makes a sound like this. Ticky, ticky, T, 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 T. Now you try it with me and touch each beat. Ticky, ticky, T, 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 T. Good. Now let's figure out the next row. See if you notice what rhythm you hear in each of these beats. Ba 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 ba. Did you hear any beats that had just 1 sound? If you're pointing to this beat, you're correct. How many sounds were in these 2 beats? If you said 2 sounds, or TT, you are correct. Now we have the whole rhythm to Dinah. And remember, our new rhythm is called 4/16 notes, and the sound it makes is ticky-ticky. Let's try it all together. Here we go. Ticky-ticky, T, 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 ticky-ticky, T, 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 ta. Nice work. Now, we're ready to see what these notes look like on the staff. Here we are at the grand staff. Let's see what you remember about the grand staff. Can you tell me what this is called? This is the treble clef, sometimes called the G clef, and it shows you the G line. Trace your finger along the G line with me. Good. It's for the high notes. Can you tell me what this one is called? This is the bass clef. Let's trace our fingers along the F line, which goes through the two dots of the bass clef, which is also sometimes called the F clef. Here's the F line. Good. Now I'm going to place a note right here. Can you tell me what this note is called? If you said G, you are correct. Dinah starts on G. Now I'm going to draw some notes, and these notes make the song Dinah. What do you notice about these 5 notes? That's right, they're all G's. Dinah starts with 5 G's in a row. No one in the... No one in the house. Those are the first 5 notes of Dinah. Now the next note is not a G. The next one skips up to the next line. So if you use the do, mi, so words, it would sound like this. Do, 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 mi. A line to a line makes the pattern do, mi. Then the next note goes up to the next line higher, another skip up. So now we have the pattern do, mi, so. Now I'm going to draw a few more notes. What do you notice about these notes? Do you notice they kind of make a zigzag pattern, or like 2 mountaintops? If a note goes from a line to a line to a line to a line to a line, we call that skipping. These notes we call repeating because they're staying the same. Let's try singing the do, mi, so words together. I'll do it first and then you try it. My turn first. Do, 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 mi, so, mi, so, mi. Now can you try it? Point to the notes and sing the do, mi, so words. Your turn. Great. Now, the next part of Dinah goes like this. No one in the house but me, I know. What do you notice about these 2 notes? Are they on a line or a space? If you said a space note, you're correct. So we have do, 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 mi, re, re, do. Mi steps down to re, then it repeats, and then it steps down. I'll sing this ending pattern, and then it will be your turn. Mi, re, re, do. Your turn. Point and sing. Good. Now we're ready to learn how to play Dinah. Let's hold up your right hand and we'll practice playing it in the air. Okay, with your right hand comfortably in the air, like mine, let's try to play the patterns in Dinah. I'll go first, then your turn. Do, 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 mi. Your turn. My turn again. So, mi, so, mi. Your turn. My turn again. Do, 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 mi. Your turn. My turn. Re, re, do. Your turn. Sing and move your hand. My turn again. Do, 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 mi. Your turn. My turn. So, mi, so, mi. Your turn. My turn. Re, 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 re. Your turn. And my turn. Mi, re, do. Your turn. Good work. Now we're going to try the whole thing with words this time. See if you can move your hands along with me. If you don't get it right the first try, that's okay. You can rewind and keep trying it. Here we go. No one in the house but Dinah, Dinah. No one in the house but me, I know. No one in the house but Dinah, Dinah, playing on the old banjo. Now we're ready to try it on the piano. But first we need to learn a new position called G position. Down on the piano, can you find somewhere in between my two hands the note that is called G? If you're pointing to this note, you're correct. Remember that G is for Grandma, and it lives in this 3 black key house. She lives, I should say, in this first room right here. So if you ever need to find a G, look for 3 black keys, and it's the first room. That note is G, and it's the first note of Dinah. Now, when we do G position, we're going to put do on G. When we're in C position, G is so. But if we slide up and put finger 1 of our right hand on G, now we're in what's called the G pentascale, or G position. Now let's look and see if do, re, mi, fa, and so are all happy. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Is there a black key or any note in between mi and fa? Do, re, mi, fa, so. There is not. That makes mi and fa happy, and so we have a major position. So we don't need any black keys when we play in G major. So place your hand in G, and let's try playing do, re, mi, fa, so in G position. Here we go, starting on G. Go. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Good, and try and sing along while you play. Let's step down, starting on so. Go. So, fa, mi, re, do. Good, now let's try Dinah. When you play Dinah, I want you to remember to always keep your hand relaxed and your fingers gently curved. I'll show you the start of Dinah, and I want you to watch my hand carefully for its shape and how it bounces a little bit to play the fast ticky-tickies. No one in the house but. Did you notice my bouncy wrist and how all of the fingers stayed relaxed and resting on the keys while I played? Okay, let's practice playing Dinah on the piano. I'll play a little pattern and then you play it back. My turn first. No one in the house but. Your turn. Sing and play. My turn. Dinah, Dinah. Your turn. Good. Remember to keep your fingers relaxed and your wrist bouncy. My turn. No one in the house but. Your turn. Are you bouncing your wrist? Good. It's my turn. Me, I know. Your turn. My turn again. No one in the house but. Your turn. My turn. Dinah, Dinah. Your turn. My turn. Playing on the... Your turn. Good. My turn. Old banjo. Your turn. Great. How did you do at keeping your fingers relaxed and your wrist bouncy? Was it hard sometimes? If you said yes, then you're normal. Sometimes your fingers will want to stick up and not be relaxed. But I'm encouraging you to keep practicing until you can keep all of your fingers relaxed while you play this song. Let's try playing the whole song together. You might need to keep practicing the little parts of the song before you try this next part of the lesson. But when you feel ready, you can try playing it with me. Here's the whole thing. I'll also be adding some chords in my left hand, which I'll show you how to do at a later lesson. But for right now, just focus on the right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. Great. Thanks for learning Dinah with me. From our website, you can download the sheet music for this song. I hope you had a good time. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time.